So hi guys, so let's see guys, there is a lot of boat in this area guys, because this is where they have their all activities during the night. So as you can see those boat down there guys, though they will be operational at night guys, because they will go um, boating in that in this lake guys. So as you can see guys, there is a lot of activities during night there guys. So there is also like dancing water in. So that is the main entrance when you are going there guys. So they will like taking a tour in that beautiful, there is some mini island down there in the lake guys. And it gives more beauty to this lake. So that one guys is a mini park or mini slide for the kids. And that is the mini truck for the mini train, the mini train called Atal Express. And that is the kids city guys, that building, that is the kids city. So there is a lot of trees there. You see those crow up there guys, and they are so cute and making so much noise. So I'm just sitting guys, because I'm tired of walking and it's too hot. So as you can see guys, that is the mini truck for the mini train. So they will pass by through that truck guys. So it's really nice guys. Just to means if you want to find a solemn place or a peaceful place, this place, although there is a lot of people visiting it, but it's a good place for relaxations also. There is a lot of things going on there. So this one is the where the dancing fountain is. So they have everything there guys. So you know guys, that lake there is also fishes. There are big fish. I don't know if it's a pet or they just somebody just put the fish down there. So that is like the mini island there inside the lake. See that guys? That one is the mini island. So if you are going by boat, you can simply there you will take tour. This all boats is going taking you around this lake guys. But they are not open guys as of now, because it's only early in the morning. I think they will not open. So actually I want to go for it, but they are not open when I was visiting, when I was here. So they are not open yet. It's really hot also guys. So as you can see there is some birds also. I don't know which kind of birds, but there is a lot of mixed birds species guys. So there is crow also, there is so many crows guys in this Kenkaria. See that? They are flying.